I often get the question, why would I want to pay a fee to an advisor? It's easy, I'm just going to manage my investments on my own. And to me, that's not an objection or that I'm trying to overcome. I will tell people that's great. You can do it on your own. What I would say is, again, I'm not going to try and convince you that you need us. That's the worst thing in my mind, is that we commit someone, we're putting some sort of pressure on them to become a client, and it's not the right fit. That is not our approach. We want to help people and guide them, and if they can do it on their own, great, go for it. I would say that the counter to that would be that the role an advisor plays in our clients' lives is well beyond the investments. It's the detailed financial analysis and where they should pull their retirement income stream. What should we do from a tax perspective? What about charitable giving? What about gifting to kids and grandkids? It's so far beyond the investment arena that goes way beyond just focusing on only the investment side. So if that's the only focus, then we might explain those other areas that we touch on in our clients' lives, but it's certainly not going to be a way to convince them to work with us. We want people who are seeking help and realize they've got a really complex financial life and all these pieces fit together in some fashion, and they want to make sure they're not making any mistakes and they're making smart decisions for their financial future.